Most businesses don't fail because they lack data. They fail because they react too late. They wait for problems to show up, then try to fix them. But the companies that actually win don't just react, they predict. They try to see what's coming before it happens. And that's exactly what predictive analytics is, using past data to estimate future outcomes so decisions can be made earlier and smarter. Think about this in a simple way. Imagine you run an online store. Instead of waiting for customers to stop buying, you analyze patterns and identify who is likely to leave. Now you can target them with offers before they disappear. Or take inventory. Rather than running out of stock and losing sales, you predict demand based on past trends and prepare in advance. Same business, same data, but completely different timing of decisions. That's the advantage of prediction. This idea comes from statistical thinking that has been evolving for decades. Concepts like regression analysis, formalized by thinkers such as Francis Galton, laid the foundation for predicting relationships between variables. Over time, this evolved into modern predictive models used in business today. So while the tools have become more advanced, the core idea remains the same: learn from the past to anticipate the future. In the real world, predictive analytics is everywhere. Companies like Amazon predict what products you're likely to buy and recommend them before you even search. Netflix predicts what you'll watch next based on your behavior. Banks predict the likelihood of fraud or loan defaults. Airlines predict demand to adjust pricing. These aren't random guesses. They're calculated probabilities based on massive amounts of data. But here's the important part. Prediction is not certainty. A model doesn't say what will happen, it says what is likely to happen. And that difference matters. Businesses don't rely on perfect predictions. They rely on better probabilities. Even a small improvement in prediction accuracy can lead to huge financial impact when applied at scale. Now with AI and machine learning, predictive analytics has become faster and more precise. Models can process real-time data, update predictions continuously, and automate decisions instantly. But this also raises the stakes, because wrong predictions at scale can cause bigger problems. That's why understanding the data and the context behind predictions is still critical. At the Learning Studio, the focus isn't just on explaining tools, it's on showing how businesses actually think ahead. Because once you understand predictive analytics, you stop reacting to events and start anticipating them. And that's the difference between a business that survives and one that stays ahead.